Cybersmarts.ai on Indiegogo, pioneering the future of AI and cybersecurity education. Hello Indiegogo community. We're excited to introduce Cybersmarts.ai, a visionary 501(c)(3) nonprofit organization with a mission to revolutionize education in artificial intelligence, AI, and cybersecurity. With the digital landscape evolving at an unprecedented pace, we aim to ensure that businesses, consumers, and the next generation are well equipped to navigate this brave new world. Why Cybersmarts.ai? Founded by Troy Williams, an industry veteran with 30 years of experience in investigations and a rich academic background, Cybersmarts.ai aims to bridge the gap between technology and understanding. We believe that with the right education, AI and cybersecurity can be demystified and made accessible to all. What we offer. 1. For businesses, tailored programs exploring the latest in AI and cybersecurity, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. For consumers, interactive e-workshops on AI's role in daily life and essential cyber safety practices. For K-12 students, a comprehensive curriculum introducing AI's marvels and cybersecurity's importance. Why support us on Indiegogo? Your backing will help us develop cutting-edge educational materials and online platforms, organize workshops and seminars in underserved communities, collaborate with schools to integrate our curriculum, offer scholarships to students pursuing careers in AI and cybersecurity. To show our appreciation, we've curated a range of exclusive rewards. Early access to our online courses, invitations to private webinars with industry experts, personalized AI and cybersecurity consultation sessions, limited edition Cybersmarts.ai merchandise. A call to action. The future is digital, and we can ensure it's secure and inclusive with your support. Join us on this journey to make AI and cybersecurity education accessible to all. Let's empower the world, one lesson at a time. Support Cybersmarts.ai on Indiegogo and be a part of the digital education revolution. For more information and to back our campaign, visit our Indiegogo page. Thanks for watching.